Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It has been way too long since I've sat down and actually took some time back for YouTube. I used to do this religiously every single day, creating content for you guys to kind of learn from my mistakes and kind of see a bit of behind the scenes of what we do every day, and just for you guys to get to know me and for me to help you as much as I possibly can in your journey as well. So I am making it a priority. I'm back, baby. I'm back, and I can't wait because honestly I've missed it, and I've missed the interaction with you guys too. But there is good reason as to why I have not been able to really dedicate any time to YouTube at the moment, and it's because so much has been going on. Like, it has been a wild few months. We have recently just come back from America again, and we've been doing loads of different in-person classes, but most importantly, and what I'm really excited to share with you, we have actually just launched on June the 7th Runway Balloons, which is a balloon wholesaler slash distributor based in California. And I am absolutely, you guys, it has been overwhelming, the amount of support that you have given to us. And we currently stock Calasan and Ellie's, but we have got more brands on their way, and we are so excited. And the one thing that I will say is, we've promised to be open and honest and raw with you and our journey, because especially now, building a new business from scratch, I want you to be on the journey with us, because at the end of the day, we're still learning. We've got a lot to learn. None of us are experts in this. There's going to be bumps and hurdles and difficulties, and trust me, I have shed tears. We all have, through happiness, through, just being on this journey. And I want you to be on this journey with us. So next time we go back to America, I will 100% be taking you with me, so you can see the behind the scenes of Runway Balloons, and also just meet the team. So the team consists of myself and Michelle, who works with me in Dress Your Daydream. And we also have our amazing Mark and Crystal, who you guys will be able to speak to and, get to know us a bit. So it's really exciting, and our mission and our aim, quite similarly to Dress Your Daydream, is to just absolutely try our best to evolve this industry and make balloons fashionable. We don't want artists thinking, oh, I'm just a balloon artist, or this isn't a real job, all that kind of thing, because it is. And you need to feel empowered and inspired, and we want your experience when buying balloons to make you feel special, and for it to be an easy, enjoyable process, basically. So that has been our aim and our goal the whole time. And again, similarly to Dress Your Daydream, community is the best thing and one of our biggest values. So that is what we are running for, and Runway represents your runway to success. Everyone has a runway, and it's never necessarily a slow kind of all-in-one uphill kind of battle or journey. It's not, and it's not real. So I want to basically be here for you to normalise everything that you are going through. I want to normalise with you and grow and learn together, because we need each other at the end of the day. So yeah, I am in my studio right now, and as you can see behind me, we have got a beautiful garland inspired by those warm, earthy tones that I did with 3 beautiful ladies in a class last week, and the balloons have held up really nicely. So one more exciting thing that I want to show you guys, I have just received a package, and I thought, together we can unbox it. Well, I say unbox it, I've just ripped the box apart, so it's not going to look aesthetically pleasing for you guys. But you know, I just said I'd keep it real, and I've got no patience, so there we go. And then I will be able to show you what is inside. So, oh God, this is the parcel, everybody. So, inside we have got some goodies. So if you guys did not know, let me just pop that down there. It's a good job actually, it's got my address on it. So if you guys did not know, Coloursan has just released a balloon shine spray, and it is amazing. I ain't gonna lie. I have used this once in a class in Manchester, and it was actually absolutely amazing. So this is what it looks like, you guys. This is the Coloursan Shine Spray. I love the packaging. It's sleek. It's, you know, not in your face. And one of the best things about it, I must say, is odour free. So I have used different shine sprays, and I do find that sometimes the odour can be quite strong, and so especially if you're in a small venue indoors and then you're spraying it and it just kind of gasses you out. Whoop, let me get whatever that was that just dropped. Oh my God. Guys, I went to the gym for the first time in a really long time and decided to do a leg session. Don't do that. Okay, so as well as that, it is an aerosol, so it's a real even spray. It's a lovely mist, and I'm going to go and show you guys how I apply it, and also what effect it has. I personally love matte balloons. Oxidised balloons I think look classy, and I love the colour. I personally love it. But I also do use shine spray for balloons like black balloons, chromes or mirrors. So it is personal preference at the end of the day. I really enjoy using this shine spray. So I'm going to take you over and show you the balloons before and after. So let's skedaddle over there. I'm not going to pause you because I'm not going to lie. Why would I? So there's Alice in the background. So basically, in fact, let me get my trusty assistant to come and hold the camera for me. Thank you, Al. So for those of you who don't know, I have got the amazing Alice now on our team at Dress Your Daydream, who comes and helps me in the studio. So it's going to be a lot easier to get some content. She's not going to want to go on the camera today though, are you, Al?
Definitely not.
However, you will have seen Alice's face because not that long ago, I say not that long ago, it was about a year ago now, Alice and I went and saw Sam Fender, and I took you along with us to the concert where we made up a song. So if you want to see an original song by Alice and myself, then go and check that video out. In fact, I will pop it on the little link above this video right now, so you can go and watch that back. So basically, shine spray. As you can see, these have been up for over a week now, and I have got a whole wall pretty much of big windows, and there is no protecting the balloons in here. They're going to oxidise, it just is what it is, unfortunately. However, I can show you a before and after of what this shine spray does. So, for those of you who don't know, latex does react to UV rays and temperature. So when it is hot outside, they go matte and they oxidise. That's the little scientific word for you to use for your clients, okay? So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give this a good shake. If you're at a venue or at your client's house, I do recommend that you have a sheet or something on the floor, because shine sprays can be quite slippy. I know this from first-hand experience, you guys. It's not fun slipping around the floor, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little step back out. I'm going to turn this around so you can see the screen, because Alice is guessing at the moment. So I'm going to take a little bit of a step back, and I want you to really focus on what this oxidised balloon looks like at the moment. And then from about arm's length away, I'm just going to evenly coat this balloon all over. And you can see what a difference. I'm sorry. Like that to that, stunning.
Do the one behind.
So as you can see, this one, and now we're going to coat just this one balloon here. And because it's aerosol, you don't have to do anything. There's no wiping involved. There's no drip marks on this whatsoever. You just spray and leave it, okay? And you can use this as many times as you want. So make sure, you guys, that you are stocking up on any Colour Sunshine spray, because I am guessing it's going to go out of stock very quickly, being as we're around the corner from all of the holidays like Christmas and New Year's. I know we're in September, but balloon artists, we're all prepared for this kind of stuff, okay? So it's going to go out of stock really quickly. Make sure that you go and grab some. US, you'll be getting it really soon as well, so don't forget to check out Runway Balloons for your Colour Sunshine spray. So yeah, this is the shine spray. I really like it. Let me see if there's slippiness on the floor. Check out the slippiness, you guys. It's not even that slippy at the moment. It's not. It passed the slip test. So yeah, that's the shine spray, and let's go and sit back and have a little chinwag whilst I organise some bits and bobs in the studio. I'm sweating, you guys, I ain't gonna lie, that dance just took it out of me. But that was sent to me by the amazing Coloursan UK. So all of the team at Coloursan UK, you are a little dream. I love you so much. And thank you so much for allowing me to use the Coloursan Balloon Shine Spray. It really has lived up to everything that I thought it would be, and I can't wait to use this in my classes, so thank you so much. So what else was going to update you on? My son has started school, which is scary, because you guys know, way back when I started YouTube, my son was teeny tiny, couldn't even say. I remember this one video, and he came up behind me when I was unpackaging a moon gate or something, and he was going, my mummy, and I watch that all the time. Oh my God, my little heart just bursts with it. But yeah, baby's in school. My lease is coming up on the studio, so I don't quite know what to do at the moment. I'm currently situated in the centre of Birmingham, and it's perfect because obviously I love my studio so much. It's got really high ceilings. It's got a good community. I'm in the art culture of Birmingham, based in Digbuff, so I love it here. But I'm also outgrowing it slightly, just with the amount of stuff I've got and very little storage. So yeah, I'd like to be able to do bigger classes in my studio. So who knows what's going to happen to that? I don't know, but I'm very grateful for the past. Well, I'm going into my third year now, I think, or I'm in my second year. I can't remember. Maybe the second year. So I've got about a year left. So I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do. But yeah, that is pretty much what has been going on with me. I will be doing some day in the lives and serious ones this time, because I know I've just uploaded a reel on Instagram just doing the misconceptions of a day in the life of a balloon artist, because at the end of the day we all always get absolutely beaten down by people that think that this is not a real job. And so I thought I'd do a little reel about it, because I'm here to keep things real for you guys. So yeah, I am going to be filming some behind the scenes, and I am just about to go and film some tutorials. So for those of you who don't know, we do have an online academy, as well as our in-person class training as well. Both of them, both online and in person, are both certified. So I had to go through a lot of assessment as an educator and a teacher. So the way that I teach and what I teach got assessed and watched very closely in different ways and forms. And now Dress Your Daydream is officially accredited. So you will become a certified organic balloon stylist with Dress Your Daydream whenever you complete training with us. So that is where I upload all of my tutorials, covering everything from business, pricing, social media, tutorials, getting clients. We've got Industry Pro where we do Canva mock-ups, Cricut, loads and loads and loads of different things on there. So I will leave the link below, and if you want to check that out, please do that. I think the code YouTube is still valid, so check out the code YouTube so you get 50% off your first month in the academy. Comment down below as well what you guys want to see. What do you want to watch? What do you want me to help you with? Because all of these things are so important to me, and I want to evolve and grow with you as always. So a massive thank you to all of you for your support. Thank you for joining me on this little clip, a little catch up with me, and celebrating the Shine Spray as well. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye everyone.